Good evening, everybody. Maureen has the night off. The trial for Mason Earle is nearing the end after lawyers made closing arguments today. 20-year-old Mason Earle is accused of killing 20-year-old Alexander Burrow and 18-year-old Bruce Kane. Prosecutors say Earle shot and killed the two behind a warehouse on King Street in Hamlin last September before setting fire to their car with their bodies inside. Selena Lewis joins us now live from court on what both sides had to say today. Selena.
Adam, well, closing arguments are really just a recap of what happened at trial for the past 2.5 weeks, where both sides get to tell their version of the story and what they feel the evidence represents. Today was an unusually long closing argument, with the whole ordeal lasting about 3 hours. The expression goes that there's two sides to every story. Today we saw two very different stories and arguments based off the same evidence. If you're the defense, Mason Earle is an impressionable teen tricked into a false confession by police.
Mason can spout off all of the details with respect to his family, what he likes to do. The moment they start talking about what occurred that night, he becomes pensive. And when they were unhappy with the answers, it's remarkable. The entire interrogation flipped, and it turned into the investigators putting words in his mouth. And he bit hook, line, and sinker every time.
And if you're the prosecutor, Mason murdered two of his friends in cold blood. Prosecutors say it's not just the videotaped confession, but also cell phone analysis, text messages to Alex Burrow right before the murder, arranging to meet up behind an abandoned warehouse, and a shaky alibi that point to him as the killer.
You know, there was a suggestion that the police somehow forced him into this situation, and we obviously are of the opinion that that it was his actions, the allegations, of course, that that caused him to end up where he is today. And so I thought it was important that the jury understand that, and so I made the comment that I did, and I hope it hit home with them.
Jury deliberations will begin at 9 a.m. tomorrow. The judge told jurors to plan on being there potentially for the entire day. They'll be able to review the evidence that they've heard over the course of the trial, which includes that 9.5-hour interrogation and that confession that both sides are in dispute of what it means. Adam?
Thanks, Selena. To stay up to date on this story, head to rochesterfirst.com.